freezing. It is currently the 27th of August and it is so cold. It's summer and it's like just not even summer. Anyway, I'm at the beach, north coast, I'm at Gwithian. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger than it is right now. The wind's really strong and it's just not that great. I'm here now, so I'm probably gonna get in. There's waves, like down there. There's a little bit of a right-hander. Hopefully something behind the rock at some point. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get in. But it's the van set up. I've got it set up as a bench finally. I've been camping out pretty much every week in it. So it's been in bed and it just makes like chilling out in it like kind of awkward, like when you're at the beach. So yeah, it's finally a bench, so I get to sit back and chill out. So for everyone that's like, oh, move to Cornwall, it's always sunny, it's the best, there's waves all the time. That's a polish. For being one of the most consistent places in the UK for waves, it's so inconsistent. Oh, set on right here though. Ooh. This might be a short video, so yeah. But it's sunny for the rest of the week, but there's not a lot of waves, so I'm gonna hopefully skate. Oh, you're not gonna hear that bit. It feels like I haven't picked up a camera in for ages. It's literally been 2 weeks since I picked up a camera. And for people that don't talk to camera, even though I talk to camera quite a bit, talking to a camera is so weird still. It feels so wrong, especially in public. I'm yapping and trying to come up with excuses not to go in right now. But I want to get in, I'm frothing, I've been frothing all day for it, so I am gonna get in. Out here somewhere to do. It's actually quite small. Oh, it's cold. No real size or power to it. So busy. It's raining.
I'm gonna go into the back one.
Not often I get angry in the water. Something about this session is really starting to piss me off. There's not even a wave. Oi. So I'm gonna be honest, it's actually the next day. As you can see, it's now sunny and my camera is dirty. There we go, maybe. Yeah, that's cleaner. And I've completely forgot to film an outro yesterday. No, yeah, I was a bit grumpy after my surf because I didn't have the greatest time. Obviously, Sam ended up coming in, but then me and Sam ended up hanging out for a bit after my surf. Oh, be quiet, car. Oh, fucking tractor every time. Oh, I beat it. Nah. Where was I? Yeah, me and Sam ended up hanging out, and then I just drove home and completely forgot to film after. Which I don't know if any of you guys actually watch, because it's probably quite boring. But man, I haven't got that angry in the water in a while. Just everything about that surf was just like, just not really working for me. I should have been probably on a bigger board. Nah, you know what? I'm not even going to come up with excuses why I had a bad surf. I just wasn't surfing very good. So yeah, it got to my head a little bit, but I caught a couple fun ones. I'm probably going to just keep it raw because I do not have enough waves to make an edit out of it. That was that surf. Sorry, it wasn't very interesting. Yeah, I am about to go skate park, but I'm actually going to do that in a completely different video. So you'll see that video next, if I make it, maybe. Yeah, that's all I've got. Oh, mate, my brain's so tired. Okay, bye. See you next time.